So how does a person decide? Sometimes deciding what to do about an unplanned pregnancy is easy, and other times it's difficult or complicated. The decision is very personal, and everyone's situation is different. So here are some things to consider. What are my personal beliefs around pregnancy or abortion or parenthood? Is anyone pressuring me to make a certain choice? Am I ready to be a parent? Do I even want to be a parent? Can I financially and emotionally raise and provide for a child for the next 18 plus years? Again, like I said, having a child is very expensive over the course of that time. Um, it is a difficult process raising a child. Um, am I healthy enough or ready to go through pregnancy and childbirth? Again, considering aspects such as diet, exercise, mental health, um, alcohol, and drug intake. Are you feeling ready and up for the challenge? And would my decision change my life, career, lifestyle goals in a way that I don't want? So just to let everyone know, if someone is choosing is choosing to go through with having the child, whether they're giving it up for adoption or whether they are going to choose parenthood, it's very, very important that they start prenatal care. Pregnancy is really hard on the body. You're growing another person. And prenatal care should start early in the pregnancy. It consists of periodic checkups with the doctor to ensure the pregnancy is developing normally, and continues until delivery. It's very, very important, prenatal care. So also, please remember that babies need unconditional love. It is our job to love them, not a baby's job to love us. And to help a friend in this situation, it's important to give accurate, non-judgmental information and not let our values tell them what to do, because ultimately they have to make the best decision for them. And please know that no one can force you to choose or not choose abortion, adoption, or parenthood. It is always the right of the pregnant person to decide what they do with their body and what option is best for them. Thank you.